Hi students, welcome to the second standard computer class. Already you received the notes of lesson number first and second. Okay. Now you are thinking that our computer miss will teach us lesson number third. But no. Now I am not going to teach you the lesson number third. Why? Because I know you are getting very bored at the home, isn't it? You are missing your friends, you are missing your school also. That's why I decided to make you very happy at the same time with the study. So this time we are going for the lesson number 6, and name of that lesson is the painting with the tux pen. Students, you like to do the painting na? Of course, I know all of you are too much fond of the painting. So I know you are thinking that how to do the painting with the help of the computer. For that purpose, you have to learn the one program, and name of that program is the Tux Paint program. Okay. So today I will teach you the lesson number 6, painting with the Tux Paint. Ready? Come on, let us start. See, look at this picture. This is your computer screen, and lesson number, you can see one arrow with the lesson number 1. Now I am going to teach you that how to open the Tux Paint program. You can see here one for the number 1 arrow is here, and in the corner left side down side one button is there. That button is called as a start button. Now I will tell you how to start the paint program. Click on that. See here, which I am pointing, it is the start button. Okay, so you click on the start button. When you will click on the start button, a menu box will appear in front of you, and after that you have to select all programs from that menu. After that, in all program you will see the Tux Paint. See here, number 3, Tux Paint. Click on that Tux Paint folder. When you will click on that Tux Paint folder, you will get Tux Paint window. Okay. When you start the Tux Paint, you see the following screen. See, it is clearly looking. It is the Tux Paint program screen. Okay, so many different names are there, so many small pictures are there. One by one I will explain you. See, in yellow color 5 names are there. First one is the toolbar, selector, color box, help area, drawing canvas. These 5 are the 5 main parts of the Tux Paint program. Okay, see, to your left side of the window, toolbar is there. So many different tools are there. They are very useful for us at the time of doing the paint. Okay, so where is the toolbar? Toolbar is to the left side of the window. Now we will go to the right side. See, name selector is here. So many different types of the pictures are here. They are also helpful us at the time of doing painting. Third one is the color box. So downside, different types of the colors are here. When you are doing the painting, that time these colors are helpful to fill up the color. After that, helping area. Okay, and in the middle, drawing canvas. It is actually the place where you can do your drawing. You can do your drawing. Okay, so tell me how many main parts of the Tux Paint program. There are the 5 main parts of the Tux Paint program. First one is the toolbar. It contains the drawing and editing control tools. Number 2, selector. It shows different things like the brushes, stamps, and other control tools also. Downside, color box, and it is helpful for us for giving the color. Help area. Help area provides us tips and information about the tux paint program when we are doing the drawing. And last, drawing canvas. Drawing canvas is the largest part of the screen in the center of the tux paint window. Understood? Okay. Next. Now, already I explained that first part of the tux paint window is the toolbar. So now one by one I will explain you tool. Okay. See, first tool is the paint tool. This one. This is called as a paint tool. It provides us different brushes for the drawing to create the drawing. So students, now we will make the drawing with the help of the paint tool. So first of all, what we have to do, click on new button. This is your new button to create a new drawing. Now select any place on the canvas, click on the open button. After that, click on the paint tool. See here, upside. See, it is the paint tool. Can you see? It is the paint tool from the toolbar. After that, you can select any paint brush for the drawing from the selector. When you will click on the paint tool, so many different types of the brushes will appear and you can select which brush you require. Okay, and after that you can select any color. You can select your favorite color from the color box with the help of which you want to do the drawing. Then next step is to click and drag the mouse to draw the picture. With the help of the mouse, with the help of the desired color, you can make your drawing. Okay, after that click on the save button. Click on the save button to save your drawing. See, I made such type of the drawing with the help of the paint tool. See here. Okay. Students, now we will make another drawing with the help of the line tool. See here. It is the line tool, and if you want to do the drawing with the help of the line, then first of all you have to click on the line tools from the toolbar. When you will click on the line tools from the toolbar, see, such type of the different types of the lines will appear in front of you. From the selector, you have to select any one type of the line to make your drawing. Okay, after that, as usual, in which color you require the line, you have to select that color from the color box. See here, you can clearly see downside color box is there. You choose your favorite color. Okay, after that click and drag the mouse to draw the lines. See, on the screen, on the drawing canvas, different types of the lines are there. In such a way, with the help of the different colors and the different brushes, you can draw the different lines and you can make your picture with the help of the lines. Students, now we will see the shape tool. Okay, see here, you can see the shape tool. With the help of this tool, you can draw simple filled and the outlined shapes. With the help of this tool, you can draw the different shapes. For example, rectangle, triangle, square, so many different types of the shapes are there. So, how to do the drawing with the help of the shape tool? So, for that, first of all, click on the shape tool. See here, number 1. Number 1 is indicating towards the shape tool. Click on that, and after clicking on that shape tool in the selector, such type of the different shapes will appear in front of you. You can select any one shape. when first of all you will click on the shape tool. After that, in the selector area, such type of the different types of tools will appear in front of you, and select the one tool from that which you require to draw. See here, second number is indicating toward the one tool, and here we draw that shape on the canvas. After selecting that, select the color in which you require that shape. After that, in the canvas, click and drag the mouse to stretch the shape out from the point where you click. After that, release the mouse button when you are done with the stretching. Click the mouse button again and shape will be drawn in the color which you selected. Okay, see, you can see one here. After that, if you want to rotate the shape, you can rotate to that shape also. You can see in this picture. Next, and such type of the shape will appear there on your screen. In this picture, you can see the drawing with the different type of the shapes, isn't it? In this picture, so many types of the shapes are there, and they are also in the different colors. Students, you know eraser, pencil eraser. Always you are having eraser in your compass box. In the computer also eraser is there. If at the time of making drawing you had done any mistake, so you can erase it with the help of the eraser. For that purpose, first of all, how to erase the drawing? You have to select the erase tool. See, number one, it is pointing towards the erase tool. When you will click on the erase tool, different shapes of the erasers will be there in the selector. See here, you can see the different size of that eraser, and which size you require, you select that size from the selector, and on the canvas click and drag the mouse on the part of drawing which you want to erase. The part of picture will be erased. Isn't it fun? If on the computer also you had committed the mistake, no need to worry about that. We are having one chance to correct it. For that purpose, erase tool is given there. Okay? See students, now our drawing is over and we want to close the Tux Paint window. So how to close the Tux Paint window? So different ways are there. First of all, you can click on the quit button. See here. See, cross. That is the button. You can click on that. Or you can press the escape key. It is present on the keyboard. Otherwise, you can click on the close button. See here. It is the close button and it is located on the right side of the title box. Okay. Two ways are there. First of all, you can click on the quit button or on the close button. After that, one dialog box will appear on your screen and you have to click on the right button. Two buttons are there. Number one is the right and second is the wrong. Yes, I am done. And second is the no, take me back. If you want to close, you have to click on the right button. But actually what happened, if you had not saved your drawing, then one box will appear in front of you. If you quit, you will lose your picture. Save it. If actually you want that picture again, then click on the right button. If you don't want, then click on the wrong button. And see here. If you want to save it, click on the right, otherwise on the not. And after that, your window will be closed. So here our lesson is over. So students, you understood the lesson? Okay. So this time I am giving you one homework, which is that page number 52. Fill the crossword with the correct words. Fill in the blanks type is there and numbers are given. You have to fill that blanks. For example, 1. It is number C. You can see on the screen number 1 starting from the L. What is number 1? Dash tool is used to draw a straight line starting from L and ending on the E. Which tool we are using to draw the lines? Line tool, L-I-N-E. Like that, complete this page. Okay, it is your today's homework.